नाम है आपका, क्या कहना चाहोगे? आज जो मीटिंग रखी गई क्या थी?
Hi, good evening. This is Nandini Deepak. I am the co-executive director of Corporate Connections in Ludhiana and Chandigarh. Now, what is CC? CC is a very, very premier, successful business networking organization जहाँ पे हमारी priority is to give all kinds of entrepreneurs who are eligible to join this community, to give them a platform to do business, to grow in their personal, professional lives and grow their communities as well. So if you are someone who has that fire in their heart and have a vision in their mind, want to grow themselves, want to grow their business and transform themselves, this is the right place for you. This is where you should be. And in CC we have seen many successful stories happen all across the globe. We have seen joint ventures, we have seen people flourish personally, professionally, and they have had an impact on the members around them. So it's not just that you want to grow personally, but I truly believe that real leadership lies when you create an impact in someone else's life. So if you are someone, if you are that person, we urge you to be here, become a part of this organization, and create a meaningful change in your life and in the lives of others. Corporate Connections has originated from Canada and has been in India from the last 5 years now, making it the biggest region in the world with over 800 members today. All these members are extraordinary and bring such a beautiful energy to this community, bring so much value, so much growth. And this organization, this community, make sure that you reach a very high level in your life, to make sure that you are pushed out of your comfort zone, to make sure that all your dreams are very much within your reach and nothing is impossible here, because this group stands by you, pushes you, helps you, and makes sure that you flourish and truly accomplish everything that you are capable, worthy and willing for. Thank you.
मैं वैभव मित्तल, मैं हूँ जलंधर से फ्रॉम लवली ग्रुप, and I'm an active member of Corporate Connections community which is based out of Ludhiana and also Chandigarh. मैं इस Corporate Connection से तकरीबन 2 साल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, and जब से जुड़ा हूँ I think I have made meaningful change in my life in variety of topics. First of all, इतना बढ़िया, इतना शानदार community बन गया है all over India. There are more than 800 members here. Each of the member wants to contribute into your life, whether personally, professionally, or even आप कहते हैं ना जैसे रूहधारी करने वाला काम, even उस inspiration से जुड़े हुए हैं. There are people who start from, let's say a turnover of 50 crores, which is the bare minimum, going up to 5,000 crores. बीच में पूरी ये corporate connection की community बनी हुई है. I can proudly say that now I have friends starting from north to south to east to west. मेरे को कॉर्पोरेट कनेक्शन जुड़ने से बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा मिला है, बिकॉज जो कम्युनिटी है इट इज़ वेरी रिच एंड इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो पंजाब की कम्युनिटी ग्रो हो रही है, देयर आर वंडरफुल सेट ऑफ पीपल हु आर नाउ इंक्लूडेड, वेदर दे आर इनटू रियल एस्टेट, इन द ज्वेलरी, or into IT services, or into legal. There are a variety of people, and everybody is trying to up their game. कोई अगर आज 500 करोड़ कर रहा है तो उसकी एम है कि वो 1000 करोड़ करेगा. कॉर्पोरेट कनेक्शन इज़ गिविंग यू दैट लेवल ऑफ कनेक्शंस, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो गिविंग यू दैट प्लेटफॉर्म टू सक्सीड, बिकॉज जो आपके लोग मिलते हैं वो आपकी मदद करके आपको आगे लेके जाना चाहते हैं, एंड कोई ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं है. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स, मैं 2 ग्रुप्स की और 2 संस्था का नाम लूँगा, YPO एंड EO, विच हैज़ बिन वेरी पॉपुलर इन पंजाब, बट आई हैव बिन थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो. बट मुझे लगता है कॉर्पोरेट कनेक्शन जो है इट्स अ मच स्ट्रॉन्गर कम्युनिटी, एंड पीपल रियली वांट मेक चेंज इन योर लाइफ, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट आज हमारे पास अहमदाबाद से लोग आए हैं, चंडीगढ़ से आए हैं, दिल्ली से हैं, जयपुर से, बॉम्बे एंड ऑल्सो हैदराबाद. ये सारे लोग जुड़े हैं. आज एक इतने स्पेशल इवेंट है वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 50 members from all over the country which are going to be a part, and we will deliberate on each other's businesses and see how we can contribute into each other's life. So I'm looking forward to this evening, and looking forward ki how we can make this community grow even further and further. हैं Gen Z है, they are hyperactive, बहुत ही अलग एवोल्यूशन हुआ हुआ है उनका कंपेयर टू अस मिलेनियल्स. एंड मेरा सिर्फ एक ही उन सबसे सजेशन है कि प्लीज़ डू नॉट थिंक कि स्मार्ट वर्क से आपको सक्सेस मिल जाएगा. यू नीड टू हैव हार्ड वर्क एवरी सिंगल डे टू सक्सीड. देयर इज़ नो सब्सिट्यूट फॉर हार्ड वर्क. एंड ऑल्सो नेटवर्किंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज सही टाइम पे सही कनेक्शन आपको कहाँ पहुँचा दे आप समझ भी नहीं पाते हो. एंड कॉर्पोरेट कनेक्शन गिव्स यू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी.
I'm Rupashi Vadhavan. I'm the chapter director of CC Ludhiana 1, and here we are gathering for a wonderful event. Today we have guests from chapter from Ahmedabad, Delhi, Jaipur, Hyderabad, even Chandigarh. So networking, basically Corporate Connection is an organization for high net worth people where we network. We have very close ties with each other. We give business to each other, as it is known that your network is your net worth. So that's how we are gathering here, and it's an awesome experience. It's been more than a year I'm associated with it, and everybody is benefiting. It's not just about the financial gain. There are so much to learn from each and every leader in their respective field. So thank you, and I'm very glad to welcome all the members from all over India here. Thank you.
I'm Uday Pratap Singh Gareva. So basically हमारा ये इंटर रीजन मीटिंग है यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे सीसी अहमदाबाद के मेंबर्स आए हुए हैं, प्लस सीसी लुधियाना, सीसी दिल्ली एंड एक दो मेंबर्स जयपुर से भी आए हैं, एंड देन चंडीगढ़ से मेंबर्स आ रहे हैं.
So you are one of the youngest member in CC chapter. So how was your experience?
So I guess it has been really good, and the kind of exposure I'm getting here, the kind of connects I'm getting here, I guess in today's world it's all about networking, and CC से better कोई community नहीं है for networking and building with the right people.
So you travel a lot for this. You visit different chapters.
Yeah, I have. I have been a part of KLT Ahmedabad. Then we traveled to Delhi also, and I was a little occupied last year, so this year जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा opportunity मिलेगी, so I'll be using that to the traveling part. मैं ये बोलूँगा अभी जैसे लुधियाना वगैरह या Tier 2 cities का mindset है, people don't realize the importance of networking and such communities as a whole. So for all the young entrepreneurs, you should come, explore it, and I can give you that assurance, once you are a part of it, you'll never regret.